When I asked my minister, I don't know. Felix asked, when I asked my minister, Felix Mhona, how many bends do we have? Bends do we have? He doesn't even know. So I've asked our minister not only to count the bends of the railway, but to have them straightened. Mozambique is left with 4 bends. So I have said to Mhona, by the end of the year, I don't think he has even begun. We don't want any bends in Zimbabwe. We should do better. But unfortunately, our own minister did not know how many areas of our railway line from Tare to Bulawayo or from Chikwalakwala also to Bulawayo. Do we have on our, it does not know. So again, you can see how primitive we are. And now, my minister now is attending to that, so that you see, we remove, we have now enough technology to make sure the railway line must be straight, or to the best of possibilities, it must be straight, except where it may be too expensive to make it straight. Actually, we moved as passengers on the Mozambican side from Manica province, Manica city, to Mtare in a passenger train. I don't know on our side. Do we still have a passenger train? Deny. Can you go to Bulawayo by passenger train? Why?